Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing this wig sent to me from Allove hair, and this hair is so pretty, as you guys can see. I loved it. I love everything about this wig. It was definitely super easy to install. I did run out of glue mid-video, so I was trying to scramble to look for the rest of my glue. But other than that, it was pretty easy to install. I didn't really have any trouble with the lace. As you can see, it's pretty much melted. And I love how I did my sideburns. So this wig was pretty easy to install, like super easy. I think like anybody in the beginner stage of doing their own hair can just make this work, because the lace was easy to install and lay down. So yeah, if you guys are looking for practice wigs and just wigs in general to look cute, I think you should definitely order this. And they sent this wig in a 13x4 frontal and 26 inches, and this hair is Waterwave, as you can see. So I definitely love this hair. The curls are super pretty. It's like lightweight. It didn't have a bad smell to it, and it's definitely true to length as well. So it's 26. But yeah, if you guys are looking to see how I installed this wig, keep watching. And if you guys have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and like, comment, share, whatever. But yeah, let's get into this wig install.
Can I tell you something? What is good? We're having it back to take you there, take you. Show you something, give more than us. We're having it back to take you there, take you there, won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say my time for making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you feel that I couldn't let you touch. I need to do something. I was just in love with you. So complex, won't you? Can I tell you something? What is what? We're having it back to take you there, take you. Show you something, give more than us. We're having it back to take you there, take you there.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, no monkey in the jungle, fly hot like a sauna, about to make a trying to weave an anaconda, trying to